I have slit the tabs on May's drinking vessel box and I am ready to do an unboxing for you. Welcome to my Enchanted Fandom drinking vessel unboxing. Welcome back, or if you are new here, welcome. My name is Katrina and I make bookish content here on this channel at least twice a week and then movie reviews here at the weekend. I will leave a playlist of my past unboxings linked up above in case you have missed any of my Enchanted Fandom drinking vessel or full subscription box unboxings because I always do the unboxing and I always make the recipe. So you're going to want to watch those. Yes, this is the slightly late May drinking vessel unboxing for a multitude of reasons that you don't need to know about, but as always I have slit the tabs but I have not looked inside. So the first thing that we have inside the box, as always, is a recipe which gives us a clue as to the theme of this month's drinking vessel. So this one is Puck's Love Potion, which is basically a kind of rose and honey gin martini. So I'm thinking I may possibly make this one, but swap out the gin for vodka because that is my martini of choice. And I think I have some rose water, so I think that's what we might be making today. And then the other option, which also sounds really good, is Midsummer's Strawberry Tea, which is tea, lemon, strawberries and sugar. I'm not a massive fan of like sweetness in my tea, so I think it's going to have to be the adult drink for me this month. I'm loving the colour scheme of this and it goes quite nicely, as always, with my nails. I believe I always seem to manage to somehow match my nails to whatever drinking vessel has been sent me. But there we go. So inside this box we have another box which I'm going to very carefully get out. I don't know why I'm having such trouble getting this out. A box in a box to make sure that it is nice and safe. And within the box we have bubble wrap. There's your first sneak peek at what's inside this box. Let's see. Okay, we have bubble wrap coming off, and then we have the cellophane coming off. I like how well packaged these always are. Look at that handle. It's a love heart handle. So let me give you a slow pan round of the Midsummer Night's Dream mug. It's so shiny. So shiny. I love this little like splash of pink down here. But that handle, oh, that handle is gorgeous. That is comfortable. That is beautiful. I will say I have not read or seen the play Midsummer Night's Dream. My knowledge of A Midsummer Night's Dream comes from having read and watched and reread and rewatched ballet shoes where they are in A Midsummer Night's Dream as ballerinas and actors, and so that's my knowledge of A Midsummer Night's Dream, but I'm sure that that knowledge will be improved by making Puck's Love Potion. So let's go and make this recipe. So our recipe says for the honey syrup to dissolve equal parts honey and rose water in a saucepan and then leave to cool. So we have our honey coming at you here. Obviously be able to use this syrup in other recipes. And then we have the rose water. Try and make it roughly equal. Yeah, should be fine. And then I'm gonna let that come together and dissolve away. And then we can make our martini. So as a reminder, we are making our Puck's Love Potion modified to swap the gin for vodka. So we need 50 mils of our spirit, 25 mils vermouth, dash of bitters, 10 mils of the rose and honey syrup, and rose petals to garnish. Spoiler alert, do not have rose petals. I mean, I have some old roses over there. I could like pluck one maybe. Not sure, might look quite pretty. So I have my very Shakespearean looking vodka here. I know we're mixing our Shakespeare plays now. And trouble is putting it in the freezer makes the cork thing slippy. Did just hit myself in the mouth slightly. So we need 50 mils of this guy. And I have my shaker here. And then we need 25 of vermouth. It doesn't say what kind of vermouth, but this is dry, obviously. Generally, a martini, it's dry. It smells vermouthy. And then we're going to add our dash of bitters, if I can get the lid off. Got it. Also smells good. And then we need 10 mils of our syrup, but I'm just gonna eyeball this, so. That was that. If we need more rose flavor, I could just add more rose water at the end. So let's shake this together. So here we go, time for the taste test. Slightly rose coloured. And I did go and grab a rose petal from my roses. So we have a little dirty rose petal in my glass now. Lovely. Let's see. That's good. Big thumbs up from me. And I love the colour. I'm going to put this in the fridge until 5 o'clock. So there you have it. We have our delicious Puck's cocktail with my little floating rose petal garnish. And we have our glorious mug with the heart-shaped handle. As always, you can find a discount code for Enchanted Fandom in the description box below. If you want to check out my other unboxings, I will leave that playlist in this end screen right here. Make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss out on future videos, including July's unboxing, which proves to be something very exciting. I'm very excited to see what comes in July. And I will be back with a movie review for you this weekend, so hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you with my next video. Thanks for watching.